Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you turn off your active status on Instagram so that you have the option to be invincible on your chats and other users will not see you as online. So okay guys, if you want to do this like on Messenger, then this video is for you. So go over to your user profile here, the lower right, and go over to the hamburger icon near the upper right corner, settings and privacy, and all you have to do is search for activity status, and there show activity status. Make sure you select this and make sure that show activity status is turned off. Okay, so once that is done, you just have to go back, and there, as you can see, um, you are now offline on your chats. But the downside is this of this is if you are turned off if you turned off your active status, then you can see other people online as well, like what we experience on Messenger. So they're basically the same process, guys, and there. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.